Hey viewers, I am Anshuman. In this video, we are going to see how to take good pictures using smartphone. These are some pictures clicked by me. You can judge my level by seeing this. And this video is all about basics only. So if you think you are expert, then please leave this video. I don't want to waste your time. Today we will learn which app to use, how to use them, different angles and lightings, expert or pro mode photography. In the last test, there is something special for you. The first tip is try to use Google Camera instead of a typical pre-installed camera application made by the manufacturing company. Why? Let's see in the next slide. Picture in the left side is clicked to the Gcam and the right side is clicked to the normal camera application. You can see the difference. It is natural and well balanced, but this picture is overexposed and oversaturated. Another benefit of using Google Camera is you can click pictures in RAW format, which means the picture is not processed fully. You have more control over your picture. Basically, you can edit more. I think Google Camera application is the best in skin tone correction. See this image, which is more natural than the other one. The second one is just whiten my skin. Racist fellows. And in this image, even in the selfie, see the dynamic range. It is amazing, guys. In the other one, the sky is missing. That is why you should install Google Camera application. You can download it by searching Google Camera application for the device which you are using. Let's see how to use. That is roll up third and moving close to the subject. First, roll up third. Every camera has an option to turn on the grid which divides the screen in specific ratios. Try to put your subject in any of the intersecting points to get better composition, like this, because these parts are attractive. Now moving closer, see this picture. You can observe that first picture is far better than the second one. Why? Because moving closer is better than the zooming or cropping your picture. Because when we zoom or crop, pixel decreases and quality also become worse. You can see the bokeh effect also by moving close to the subject. The next tip is different angles. These are high angles, low angles, eye level. So try to tilt or move your phone left, right, up or down to see different angles which are best and worst angles in the different situations. High angle is shooting from the top, eye level shooting from the subject's eye level. Low angle is shooting from the bottom. We will see the subject in different perspective by doing this. There are two more angles. There are buck's eye angle and bird's eye angle. You can see in this slide. These are some examples. The next tip is lighting. Try to shoot in natural light, like near the window. Here is the comparison between shooting near the window and shooting in the direct sunlight. In second one, you can see there is more and more shadow. The peak is not so clear. So you should not shoot in direct sunlight, or if you wish to shoot, then use the diffuser. Now let's see golden hour and blue hour. Golden hour means just before the sunset and just after the sunrise, and the blue hour is just opposite, just before the sunrise and just after the sunset. You can see the comparison. Golden hour creates reddish, yellowish or golden warm like feel, and blue hour creates cool or bluish in the picture. Lighting ends. If you think this video is helpful, then click that like button. Expert mode, or you can say manual mode. In this mode, you can manually control your camera functions to create better pictures. You can change ISO, which means amount of light in the picture. Lower the ISO, it is darker. Higher the ISO, it is better. The shutter speed, then the shutter speed, which is time taken by opening and closing of shutter. because that's why image is captured. Lower the time, less light. Higher the time, it has more light. Low shutter speed used to stop motion and high shutter speed is used to show the motion in photograph. That's also called a long exposure. Then white balance. You can see in the slide. Lower is reddish, higher is bluish. Comment below if you want me to make a dedicated video on expert mode in photography. Comment below if you want me to make a dedicated video on expert mode. Because time is limited, let's come to the last tip. But it is not the least. Do not panic if your photographs are not so amazing. I am also not an expert in this field. I am still learning this. Photography needs time, efforts, patience and practice. So thank you for watching till end. Now come to the bonus. First bonus, 30 days photography challenge which will keep you on the track. Shout out at my Instagram story if you tag me. Links of best website to learn photography. Join photography community, that is 500 pixels only for the photographer. PDF of this presentation. Now sum up today's lesson. Have to use Google Camera or Adobe Camera if you have high-end mobile. How to use rule of third and moving close to the subject. Angles high, low, eye level, bird's eye level and bug's eye level. Lighting natural, near the window, blue hour or golden hour. Expert mode, control ISO, shutter speed and white balance. Then okay, your bonus is on the description box, check it out. And this is how you can contact me. If you have any doubt, then feel free to ask anything. Thank you for watching. Comment your suggestions. Bye bye.